Hello, my computer is being a butt, so you can't see me. Since my camera doesn't know how to work when it wants to. Anyway, so I'm going to do the cinnamon challenge. They got some naturally pure cinnamon, a spoon, and a little bit of milk. And I can have my grandma come over here for proof, but she wants to. But so, let's get the cinnamon here. I need to unscrew the lid. And get a spoon. Hang on, I'm measuring. That's about a spoonful, right? Think that's a spoonful?
Well, it's more than teaspoon.
Or I meant a spoonful, not teaspoon. But that's about a spoonful, right?
That needs to be less.
I need a spoonful.
I know what you mean. There's one.
That's 1 teaspoon.
That's what you need right there.
I said 1 spoonful.
I know, this is a spoon. That's what they consider a spoon.
That's a tea. So we're getting it exact.
There you go.
So that's 1 tablespoon.
I know, that's a big spoon.
Okay. I'll do 1 teaspoonful. Okay. So this is an exact measurement. You can be the conductor here. This is exact, right?
Yeah.
This is actual cinnamon, right?
Yeah.
That's milk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get you a drink.
Ah, yummy. So yeah, I could probably do another one of those, like,
no, we can't.
with camera. I need water.
What are you doing?
I killed myself.
Oh, shit.
Okay. I'm gonna do that with camera, not now.
No.
Not now, but like when my camera works.
Like what did you do?
Cinnamon.
He thinks you're talking to him.
Cinnamon and a teaspoon in my mouth. Not a good combination.
You're crazy.
I know I'm crazy. Okay, I'm good now. I killed myself. Ow! I burnt myself too. Okay, I'll be back. Hey, my reaction wasn't as bad as the other people. They started gagging. Wouldn't have been bad if the back of my throat didn't.
Get you a glass of water.
I'm good now. So yeah, that was actual. I promise. That was actually cinnamon. Actual. Excuse me. Stuff. So yeah.
Well, I guess I need to go take a bath.
I'll soon again, like maybe like tomorrow or something. if my camera will work.
What it is, honey.
But until then, peace of, yeah, bye.